Welcome to the SAFY Dashcam Hardwire Kit installation guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to hardwire your SAFY Dashcam, ensuring continuous power and activating parking mode for around-the-clock protection. Before we begin, a few important safety notes. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for specific details regarding your fuse box. If you're uncomfortable with any step, please consult a professional. Let's unbox your SAFY Hardwire Kit. Inside, you'll find the hardwire power cable with its 3 distinct wires for ACC, yellow, VCC, red, and GND, ground. The wires connect to the low-voltage cutoff module, crucial for preventing the dashcam from draining your car's battery completely. It will cut power to the dashcam if the battery voltage drops below 11.8 volts, ensuring you have enough power to start your car. The other end of the cable connects to your SAFY camera's power input port. Finally, you will also find the quick start guide and an assortment of fuse taps to match various vehicle types. Our first step is to locate your vehicle's fuse box. This is typically found under the driver's side dashboard near the steering column or inside the glove compartment. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the exact location. At this point, it is a good idea to clear the area to facilitate your work and the running of the cables later on. Next, identify your vehicle's fuse type. Carefully remove one of your existing fuses. You'll need to match its shape and pin spacing with one of the supplied fuse taps: Micro 2, Mini, ATO, or LPM. Note that each fuse tap comes pre-installed with a 5 ampere fuse to protect your dashcam. Now, let's connect the hardwire power cable. Let's start by preparing the ACC fuse tab. First of all, using your vehicle's fuse panel diagram, identify an ACC fuse, which is a fuse that is powered only when the vehicle's ignition is on. Common labels for ACC fuses include radio, ACC, IGN, audio, power outlet, or ignition. Pull the fuse, then insert it into the empty slot of the fuse tap, which should already come with the dashcam's fuse pre-installed. Note, you may need to employ a certain degree of force to insert the fuse into the fuse tap. That is perfectly normal. Once the fuse is inserted, connect the fuse tap to the ACC labeled end of the hardwire power cable. Next, let's prepare the VCC fuse tap. Again, using your vehicle's fuse panel diagram, identify a VCC fuse, or constant power fuse, which is a fuse that is powered all the time, even when your vehicle's ignition is off. Common labels for VCC fuses include dome, ECU, memory, hazard, or clock. Pull the fuse, then insert it into the empty slot of the fuse tap, which should already come with the dashcam's fuse pre-installed. Once the fuse is inserted, connect the fuse tap to the red VCC labeled end of the hardwire power cable. With both fuse taps connected to the hardwiring cable, it is time to insert the fuse taps into their respective slots on the fuse panel. Press each fuse tap firmly until it's securely seated. Next, let's connect the ground wire. Attach the black GND wire's ring terminal to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on your vehicle's chassis. This is crucial for proper grounding. Ensure the connection is secure by tightening the bolt firmly. At this point, before tidying up the cables, let's verify that the dashcam works as expected. Start your engine, then plug the hardwire cable into the dashcam's power port, DCN, to verify that the dashcam powers on normally. Then turn your ignition off. Your dashcam should remain powered on, indicating that parking mode is working correctly and your vehicle is protected even when parked. The final step is to tidy up the cables. Neatly route and secure the power cable along your headliner, down the A-pillar, and under the dashboard. Use the pry tool included with your SAFY Dashcam to run the cable and keep it away from any moving parts or airbags. Once your cable management is complete, your SAFY Dashcam hardwire installation is finished. Your dashcam will now power on automatically when driving and seamlessly switch to parking mode when the ignition is off. You've successfully hardwired your SAFY Dashcam. Enjoy enhanced peace of mind with continuous surveillance. If you have any questions, refer to your online manual or visit our website.